How to download Inzoi game on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you need to check out the Steam in your PC. Over here, make sure that your Steam application is up to date and you are logged in into your Steam account. To download the Inzoi, it is pretty simple in the Steam, and it is affordable as well, and the files are verified. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Inzoi. Then you need to click on it. Over here, if the game is available in your region or already in the market for your purchase, you will have the option of add to cart instead of add to your wish list. If there is the option of add to your cart, if it's already available in your region, just click on it. After that, you will have to add your payment method, and after a successful payment, you'll be able to enjoy your game. Now in the Inzoi, you can go ahead and create your virtual world and characters and play with it. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.